Good Tuesday morning, looking at Hurricane Earl, which is going to be all over the news the next several days. As this storm system approaches the eastern seaboard, maybe the Carolinas, you may be talking about a storm system that doesn't make landfall but gets so close that it's going to feel like it is. Winds at 135 miles per hour, gusts to 161. It's Category 4, and it's going to continue to the northwest. It will take, according to the experts and the forecast models and everything that we know it traditionally to do, they usually take a little bit of a turn to the north and then the northeast. Problem is, it's already too close. So it is very likely going to affect the eastern seaboard by, say, Thursday as a center point on the time that it passes through. But over the next several days, if you have any travel plans that direction, really want to keep an eye on things. Also wanted to point out, we've got Viper loaded up here. You can see how the paths, all the forecast models have it getting very close before moving northeast. We had Danielle. That one is out here. It's gone. Then we have Earl, of course, which is the one that's the big threat. Behind that, Fiona. And then behind that, the possibility of Gaston developing. We're watching all of these carefully. Also watching out on Profiler, just a few dots of green showing up. Maybe a few isolated showers for you if you're going to be traveling around. I'll zoom in on them just a little bit. Again, not significant showers, but areas coming in from the east into Austin. You may be looking at some slick roads out there. Just heads up. That's what we're seeing right now on the radar. 80 degrees, cloud cover, winds are calm, but the humidity is up. 87%. How is it going to be different or better this weekend if the temperatures are pretty much the same for the afternoons? The drier air that we have from a front coming in this weekend will possibly make your mornings a little more comfortable, kind of like last week. Upper 70s to 80 degrees right now. You can see we did get to the upper 90s and even 100 here yesterday. Could do it again today. Got a possibility for a few showers, seeing some of those on radar right now. A little bit of cloud cover to the west. We see a possibility for thunder showers this afternoon. Watch for that. Of course, the radars, KXAN.com, our apps for all different kinds of phones out there, all very good tools to keep an idea on what's happening. Most of the showers are going to be coming up from the bottom right of the screen. So if you're in one location and it's coming up from the bottom right, headed your way, you might want to watch out. Biggest threat right now would probably be some isolated lightning out of all of that. Clouds and radar continue with the shower possibilities. Now, 99 for the high today. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 15 tonight. And, of course, maybe some isolated showers this afternoon. Tonight, 79 degrees. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 15. The difference that I've talked about, not a huge difference, but it's a subtle difference. We've always said get out and do everything early in the morning. This is one of those weekends where it'll feel a little better. You'll be rewarded for getting up early. Slight chance for showers all the way through the time frame of Saturday, but notice the upper 70s go to low 70s, and that's because we do get a little front in here. It's not going to do much, maybe a few showers, but it will bring some drier air out of the north, and that's what cools us down a little bit. The afternoons, though, still fairly warm, at least not so muggy. 98 on Monday. First warning weather on the radio with Magic 95.5 and Talk Radio 1370 AM.